Uh, Currently, I'm working as a technical support engineer in IT field.
In the IT,
Yes,
technical support.
yeah, correct.
So you have done your engineering?
No, I'm not done engineering on my background. Like,
Huh? Speak louder.
I have not done engineering.
Ah.
I also doing diploma and then doing the job. Complete diploma and doing the job.
Okay, good. And where are you now?
In Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. And where are you from otherwise?
I'm from UP Devariya.
UP.
Devariya. Yes.
Huh?
District Devariya. Uttar Pradesh Devariya.
Uttar Pradesh, I heard. After that, what did you say?
Deoriva. Devariya.
Okay. I've never heard this state before.
Yeah, it's nearby Gorakhpur.
Ah, Gorakhpur I've heard, but this word I have not heard. This place.
Okay, the distance between Gorakhpur is 40 kilometer, about 40 kilometers.
From Gorakhpur?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So you are from UP?
Yeah, right.
And you are in Delhi at the moment? Yeah?
Yeah, currently.
Okay, fine. So how long is it that you have shifted to Delhi?
It's about 7 years.
7 years?
Yes, last 7 years.
Okay. So you did your education, you did your diploma also from Delhi only?
No, I had done my, I have done my graduation from Gorakhpur.
Okay.
In Upadhyaya University.
Okay. So after that you shifted. For your job, you shifted to Delhi?
Yeah, correct.
Oh, okay.
For the job purpose.
That's nice. Okay. And who all are there at home?
My parents, my father, mother, sister, and one brother.
Your father, mother, brother,
And sister.
sister. I can't hear you actually. You have to speak louder.
My father, mother, brother, and sister.
And sister. Okay. So you are the middle child?
No, I'm younger than other.
Yeah. You are the youngest?
Yes, youngest than other.
You are the youngest child?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. Tell me, did you go through the session material for today?
Yes, but I think it is not interesting with the session material because that was about space about
Outer space or deep sea?
yes.
So you never been to the sea? You never seen a sea?
So,
No? You haven't gone to any beaches?
yeah, I have gone beaches.
Where?
Ernakulam, Kochi.
Oh, you have been to Kerala?
Yes.
Okay, how come?
I had visited.
You had been there?
Yes. In 2009.
Okay.
I have been there.
You went for a holiday?
No, just going for a business purpose or job purpose.
Okay. Okay. So you've been to Cochin and Ernakulam. Ernakulam and Cochin, yeah.
Ernakulam, Kochi, Kottayam, Pathanamthitta. Pathanamthitta, you know, Pathanamthitta is a district.
Pathanamthitta, okay.
Pathanamthitta, Kottayam.
Kottayam. Oh, so you've been throughout, so you visited a lot of places in Kerala?
Yeah, right.
Huh? Okay.
Four 5 districts.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Usually people won't visit that often. Okay, that's nice. So how did you like Kerala?
Yeah, it's a lot of things like beauty,
Hmm?
cultural beauty,
Ah,
cul- cultural beauties, natural beauties,
yeah.
and a good people there. Uh, good people like faithfully educated person
Oh,
and a lot of helpful people.
okay. So
And
you like the
naturally,
place?
yeah, I like the place, and I when I have to choose from where you want to live in India, then definitely I choose Kerala first.
What? If I have to choose which place you like the best, you would choose Kerala.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Wow, that's wonderful. I'm from Kerala, so I'm very happy to hear that.
yeah, right. Now, from which district?
Thrissur.
Thrissur. Yeah. I not visited, but here there.
Yeah, it's near Kochi. It's two
Yes,
hours
yes,
from Kochi.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
So
And
yeah,
you have not been to Goa.
no, never. I never visited.
Okay.
So
So when you went to Kerala, you visited the beach. You went to see the sea.
yes, ma'am. I visited the seaport like Kochi beach, sorry, Ernakulam beach.
Yeah.
There was also a port, seaport,
Ah. Hmm.
and lots of big seas. So I
You
visited
saw
there.
those fishing nets on the beach. The
Yeah,
big fishing nets, Chinese
fishing
fishing nets.
net,
It's called
a Chinese fishing net, and all the long and large ship
ship.
that
Ah.
can have maybe some floats like 10 or 12 floats.
Yes. Yes. Huge big ships. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And visited in the motor ship. Sorry, enjoy the ride on ship.
Okay. So you went on board. You went on board the ship.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. So,
And,
being from
and,
UP, are you a vegetarian?
no, I'm not non-veg with both vegetarian and non-veg.
So when you went to Kerala, did you the food there?
Yeah, actually, I like the Kerala food like chor, sambar,
So you
mean
like?
curry, mean
Oh
curry,
wow.
kadala, pati,
Put
yes, and uppam, appam,
appam. Mm, appam.
appam, and, and, and many things like bananas, pakoda, which means
Uh,
pakoda,
Payam puri, it's called. Yeah.
and
Banana fritters.
and junk food like which one junk food. You know that it's a big heavy weight like 20 kgs and 30 kgs, maybe some.
What?
Um, and we are enjoying their chips also.
What is 20 kg,
Uh,
30 kgs?
it's fruit, junk food.
Fruit.
Yeah,
Jackfruit.
it's a green, yeah, junk food. That's sort of heavy weight like 30, 20 kgs.
Kathel. Kathel.
Yeah, cat hell,
So it's jackfruit. Jackfruit.
jack,
Yeah.
and their chips also. Many
Jackfruit,
flavors.
it's not there in UP.
Is available in UP, but at minimum quantity.
Okay. Smaller quantity.
Yes,
So these are big.
yes, yes.
It's more sweet also, no?
Yeah, more
The
sweet.
texture is
And
much better, no?
yes, and also enjoying the chips also. Chips.
Chips, yes.
Yes.
So, and also that big bananas, the big bananas also you had?
I also eat and also use the pakoras
Yeah.
and, and where it with yeah and sweet and with normal sweets